What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Deadpool Crewmate from Among Us. Let's get started by drawing in the visor. We're going to start right in the middle of our page and draw a curve going up and then bend that back down on the right side. Now I'm going to round out the side of the visor, starting back on the left, curve out and then in, going the opposite direction on the right side. Now we're going to close off the bottom, starting back on the left, curve down and then pull that up on the right. Let's add a shadow across the bottom of the visor. We're going to start on the top left, curve this down, go across, and then bend that back up on the right side. Let's go over towards the right side of the visor and draw on the top of the head. We're going to start up here, curve up, round up the head, and then bring that back down on the left. And then we'll round out the side of the body and come down towards the bottom of the feet. Go out, go straight down, and then bend that in. Let's go underneath the visor on the right side, draw a straight line coming down, and we'll bend that in towards the same height we have on the left. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start on the left side, curve the foot coming down, and then up, and then do the same thing on the right. And leave a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the inside of the left foot, draw a straight line going up towards the body, and we'll curve the body going out and up towards the right. Let's go to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the body. Now we're going to add the backpack on the left side. Let's start from the top, curve out and then down, come down towards the bottom, go out and then up. And then we'll connect the top and bottom with the same curve of the body, going out, down, and then in. Let's add those patches around the outside of the visor. We're going to start from the top, step over towards the left, curve this up, and then out, go over towards the right, curve up towards the right side of the head. And then from the left side, we're going to curve out around the visor, down towards the bottom, curve down, and then in. And then from here we draw a straight angle line going up and in underneath the visor. A step over towards the right, angle down and out, curve out and then up. Now we move to the center, step down and draw a circle for the belt buckle. Go all the way around towards the bottom and then back up toward the top. Let's go to the top left side of the buckle, draw a straight line going out, and then bend that up toward the left side of the body. Line this up on the right, go out, and then up. And then from the outside, we're going to step down, draw that same curve, coming down, and then back in towards the buckle, and then line this up on the right. Let's separate the left side of the belt with two lines. One on the left side, step in, and draw that twice. Let's add some detail to the buckle. We're going to start with two straight lines coming down the middle. So we'll start on the left, down on the left side, move over, do one on the right. Now going back to the top left, we're just going to trace the buckle going around and then in. Do the same thing along the right side. And then we'll add those eyes inside the buckle. Starting from the middle, angle up and out towards the left and right. Go back to the outside, curve down, and then back up on the inside. And we'll fill the top and bottom in black. Now we're going to add a patch on the left side going in behind the belt. Let's start on the top left, go down and in, come straight down on top of the belt. Now we're going to continue along the bottom with a short line, and we'll curve out and up towards the left side of the body. Let's add a strap going across the legs. We're going to start on the outside, come down, and then bend that back up, go to the right, and do the same thing. I'm going to trace the strap along the bottom, stepping down, draw that same curve. Now let's move back up and draw two swords crossing in the back. We're starting on the left side of the head, draw a straight angle line going up and out. Let's line this up on the right side, draw a shorter line going up and out. Now on the left, we're going to step down, draw that same angled line. And back in. Do the same thing on the right. And it'll connect the top with a curve, going up and then down. Let's add some lines across the handle. From the top, we'll step down, draw another curve, leave a gap, and just continue this all the way in towards the head. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And move out to the right side and draw the hand holding another sword. Let's start on the inside, go up towards the top of the thumb, and then bend that back down. Let's round up the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back up. And it will wrap 3 fingers around the handle. Let's start from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in, step down, draw it again, pull that up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's draw the handle underneath the bottom finger. Start with 2 straight lines, close off the bottom with a curve, and then we'll step up and draw another curve. Let's go back up to the base of the thumb, curve the hand, coming down, and then bending that out in behind the handle. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the hilt of the sword. Starting on top of the thumb, draw a short line going up, go straight out towards the right, go straight down, and then pull that back in towards the top of the top finger. Now let's draw on the blade. From the center, we'll step in, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top, angle down and out towards the right, and then come straight back in towards the top of the hilt. And that's pretty much it. There's Deadpool Crewmate from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.